Hello there, Windows enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Windows 11 security. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of running a comprehensive full scan, ensuring that your system remains free from malware and other potential threats. By running a full scan, you'll gain peace of mind, knowing that your Windows 11 device is safeguarded against any lurking threats. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To perform a full virus scan on Windows 11, use these steps. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Windows Security and click the top result to open the app. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under the Current Threats section, click on Scan Options. Select the Full Scan option to check the entire system for viruses and any other type of malware. Click the Scan Now button. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.